Next up, let's go ahead and add some text at the end for our credits. So I'm going to make my animation a little bit longer again, just going to go through here, right click and insert a frame. So now I have some more space to work with again. I'm going to make a new layer, make sure this layer is on the top of the list. So with this new layer, I'm going to make sure my color is set to where I want it. So I might want white color, set the alpha back to 100%. That's where you can go in and change it if you don't have something drawn already. So I want my text, I want to take my text, draw in a text box and write in animation by me kind of idea. And you would put your own name in here too. So we have this animation. You see when I click off of it, you can see what color it actually is. I might need to go through, change the color here a bit, just to make it a little bit easier to see. So now we have some text. So to change the color or style of your text, if you think the current style looks really boring, this is really similar to Photoshop. You need to be on your text tool, then go in, click and highlight your text here on your text box, and then you can change it over on your properties. So if you don't see the style and size, make sure you're on Properties, Object. So you can change the font, look through any kind that you want to use here. And you can also change the color or the size as well. Let's go ahead and mess around with this to get the credits looking how we want them. If you want to make your text bigger than 96, you'll need to be able to type it in the size instead. So I'm typing it in 200, seeing how that looks, a bit too big, but go down to 100 or something like that. Then I'll go ahead and just move this text somewhere in the middle-ish of my screen.